Hello again. This is my Zastava Model 70 7.65 millimeter or 32 ACP. I've had numerous issues with this one. I actually went and bought a donor pistol for parts because this one was missing a little bushing back here for the firing pin. And also I've discovered, I believe, that if I put too many rounds in the magazine, you put the max number of rounds in the magazine, it'll jam. So there's 7 rounds in here now, and I believe these are 8 rounds. And we're going to try, I got 2 mags, they're both loaded with 7. We're going to see if that, if we still get jams and hang-ups. If that's the case, I'll drop a round out the next time, and that works. It's actually a really nice looking gun. So these are very lightly used for the most part. They've been surplused out from Czechoslovakia. There are quite a few people that companies that sell these. They usually come in cosmoline, and they are chock full of cosmoline. When I got this, it was a mess. But underneath all that cosmoline is a very, very nice looking gun. Cosmetically, it's a nice looking gun. But I have had all kinds of issues with light strikes, failures to feed, jams, all kinds of problems. And I'm not sure if it's my fault or if it's the gun. So it's been to the gunsmith, they worked on it, and it seemed to cycle fine, and then I'd get it out to the range later and I'd run into some problems. So I'm going to try it again today. We'll just that one didn't yet. We'll just see what happens. Play with it. We're at 7 yards, and there again, right away, light strike. And I imagine if I hit it again, it'll probably go. Nope. See, this is what I'm talking about. Just a really light dimple in that. We'll just leave that one out. Try it again. Another light strike. I'm getting light strikes. The problem I was having before. Worked on the bar, and still strikes. I'm going to switch magazines. I doubt it. Try it anyway. Light strike. Alright. Guess I have to go back to the gunsmith. I don't know why this is happening, but this is I've had with this gun from the very start. And I don't understand it. Frustrating. Just freaking that magazine, that's kind of hung up in there. I just now noticed that. Huh. Active. That bullet's jammed. Okay. I don't know what's going on there. don't know, folks. I don't understand this guy. This has been an ongoing problem. I've had a couple of these, and they both did the same thing. I don't know if I need a stronger firing pin spring. I really don't understand this. All right. Anyway, that problem's not fixed. So it's back to the drawing board for the Zastava M70. Moving on. All right, I want to do a quick follow-up on the Zastava M70. I'm at the gunsmith. A while back, I bought a spare M70 for parts, and so the spare parts he still had, I just left it here for him, and I switched out the trigger pack, or not the trigger pack. This got like a little hammer pack in it, it just drops in. So I was suspecting that we had a weak spring in the hammer pack. I've already run one clip of magazine of 5, and it worked flawlessly. So I switched mags, and I'm going to try it again. Not really shooting at anything, we're just testing function. And that's what it was a weak hammer. And this appears to be working with both magazines now. So it's just been one thing right after another with this, and then hopefully now it's fixed. Maybe next time out at the range we can actually do a video where I'm shooting at something. So there's the update. If you own one of these, I bought a spare for parts, and that's what it took. I had to drop in another hammer pack, for lack of a better term, and it seems to have worked. So there you go.